Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to make your home more cozy. Now, if this is a content you like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Welcome back, guys. So we all know there comes a time when somehow, like, you just look at your home and you just know deep down that this home needs a little TLC. Like, I need to tweak some things around the home. When that time comes, your body starts itching you, starts to become restless. Like, the joy of going home is no longer there, and then you just start resenting your home. No, don't let it get to that point. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips, 5 ways that you can make your home more cozy and inviting to you. And the very first way is to paint. You must not go for like the really expensive paints. If your house was white before, paint it to a powder blue, a light yellow, a light gray. Paint it to, just go online, see different shades, different colors, look at the parlor, look at the house, look at the curtain, look at the room. Just like, you can have your parlor a different shade, your room a different shade, the passageway a different shade, you understand? So just go with what suits you, what you, at that point in your life, at that point in time, what is calling out to you. Okay, so just paint. If you have a different color, you can change everything back to white. Just paint. When you paint, that is the very first step. The most important thing, because that's the first thing you have to do before any other thing I want to say comes in. Paint. Once you paint, it's like you're one. You're like, yes, I've started something. And you see the impact it will have on you, it will have on the house. Very first step, very important. Just paint. The second way to make your home more cozy is lighting. Look, take a walk around at your house right now and you realize that the bulb on the passageway is burnt, and you are just like, oh, I can see the one from the parlor. If I leave the room door open, I can see. And in your room, you're supposed to have like 5 bulbs or 4 bulbs, and only one is working. You are like, oh, after all, one is working, I don't really care, I don't really send, it's not important. No. You see, lighting, oh my gosh, it has a way of making the house so cozy. Lighting, invest a little in lighting if you want to make your house cozy. Like, you can have like your white lights, maybe POP lights in the middle. Then you can have like, I like this thing where you have like your white lights in the middle, 2 POP lights. Then at the 2 opposing sides, I have like light blue. They have their own switch. And then the other 2 opposing sides, they have like a red bulb. So like when you're watching films, you can have the white light off, and then you have the blue light on. When you want to sleep, you can have the red light on. And then when you really need like bright lights to do things, maybe at night inside the room, you can turn the other ones off and turn on the white light. Like the flood of wash of color, wash of light, the muted tones and everything. Oh my gosh, this video is not gonna put me in that mood of I need to change something in my house. Okay. It's not the time. So lighting, fix your lights. The ones that are having sometimes it might just be a little electrical problem. The switch is not working, the bulb is burnt, but you are not concerned. To make your home more cozy, you have to fix your lights and invest in new lights, different colors. Don't just be like, oh, it must be 50-watt white bulb. Why not try colors? I've seen so many colors. I've seen green bulbs, I've seen blue, I've seen pink, I've seen red. There are so many colors, so just experiment, put different lights and see which ones you like, see how they make you feel. Okay, that is the second way to make your house more cozy to you. The third way to make your home more cozy to you is to invest in room sprays and diffusers, air fresheners around the house. Hey, invest a little in your living room, in your bedroom. Have like beautiful diffusers, really, like, just take your time out, go to other scent shops, go through the scents they have there, find out which one works for you, which one you're comfortable with. You go find one, you will find out one that is just you, that you just love. And just like for ladies, they'll be like, you're trying on different wedding gowns and you eventually find the one and you're like, yes, I know this is the one. That's the same thing it is for like scents. Just go and just do like a random scent, just perceive different scents, different aromas, and then make your selection. Okay, you can invest in scented candles. If you cannot buy diffusers or room sprays, normal Airwick, they have different brands. Sunshine, they are a bit more affordable. Go and look for, buy, put one in the, maybe like 2 in the living room, 2 in your room, the passageway. They are the ones you can just put nail and hang. Like, even with these normal other ones that used to bring out, like, is it Airwick? I think it's Airwick that like used to bring out, you use battery and it used to bring, I'll put a picture right here, like every 1 minute it would like spray, do a little spray, psh, psh, so that when you walk into your living room, you walk into your room, you are engulfed in sweet scents, sweet aroma, sweet, like you just see good scent. It has a way of making your home really, really cozy. So once you walk into your home, like, that scent is so welcoming, it's nice, it's relaxing. Invest in diffusers, room sprays, air fresheners if you're not so buoyant. And then another thing I like to do, these like liquid air fresheners, like that they normally buy, GBC, Swiss has, there's another brand I saw the other day. Whenever I'm mopping like around the house, I like to pour a little bit into the mop bucket and just like mop. It has this way of leaving scents around the house too. Okay, so just do that. That's the third way I would say, good scent to make your home more cozy to you. The fourth way I would say you can make your home more cozy to you is to invest in new gadgets and home decor pieces. Okay, now when I mean by new gadgets, I don't mean like you have to go and break the bank. Okay, if for example you don't have a smart television, you can sell off your old one, add a little bit more money and get a smart television. Smart televisions are those televisions that you can connect to the internet, you can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix, you can watch Prime, you can watch, there are so many things you can do. There are even some smart TVs now you can go on the internet to do things. Okay, so at least YouTube, Netflix and all of that, just log in and you have like a variety of options outside like our normal DSTV and stuff. Okay, so that's one gadget I would really say invest in. A good smart television. DVD players, yes, but this time and age, people don't really do all that anymore. Like, you can go on Netflix and see practically any modern current movie and watch. You can go on Prime. Like, there are really, really tons to choose from, so you don't have to limit yourself. I'll say that's a good gadget to get. Another gadget, very, very good gadget, or let's say that's a gadget now, that's not really a gadget, it's like a piece of furniture you can get, is a what do they call it, this TV stand. You can just have it like at the edge of the living room, just a small one with some drawers. You can, you know, put things in the TV remote and all those knickknacks around the house, just put it there. Then you can get like, you know, little home decor pieces, all those little ornaments, and just place there. Now another thing I like just home decor pieces. You can get like artworks, have like you know, have place them in strategic areas of the house. Like when you come in, you just see it must not be expensive artwork like 10 million, 20 million. No, it can be like, you know, just, and if you go out, they have arts. They have, I myself, I didn't know this until a while back, and I saw this art shop here in Asaba along Old Anwai Road. I've forgotten the name now, close to this peppered rice. Like they have really, really beautiful art pieces, very, very affordable too, quite affordable compared to some, like on the affordable side. Okay, you have that even in traffic. Like this, I've gotten one very, very beautiful piece of artwork in traffic like this. Like the framing was not so good, I had to reframe it, but it was so beautiful. Like anything that calls out to you, just like, you just get, depends on the size as well. Just used to like put a little bit of oomph to your house. So that's another fourth thing I would say you can do to elevate your house, make your house more cozy, make your house more enjoyable for you to live in. Okay, and then the fifth and final thing I would say is to upgrade your furniture. Not necessarily upgrade your furniture, more like revamp. I will not say renovate. You're not renovating your house, but more like just change your space. That's how we put it. Like your chairs, you can have them rewrapped like a different color, you know, because chairs with time, there's wear and tear. You start seeing stains, it's fading, it's washing off, and you know there are tears and everything. So you can have like an upholstery guy, carpenter, like rewrap the chairs. If there are some that are already sagging somewhere, they just reform it. And you know, if you don't have money to buy like brand new chairs, you can just rewrap, or get like this professional chair cleaners, like they come and clean. I saw one on Instagram the other day. I was like, man, they will take the chairs outside, clean them, like the original color will come back, they start shining again. You can do that. You can rearrange the chairs, like where you had your single seats, you can push them to the other side, bring the double this way, just rearrange. You know, like your center table, you can, you know, put to a different corner, remove from just get a little Persian rug, put in the middle, just little things, just like rearrange the house a little bit. Even the way you have, that's like in the living room I was talking about, where you have your bedroom, you can change the direction of your bed, like rearrange where you have like your vanity and all of those things, where you have different things, just rearrange. And then, you know, it's like a different look. Have your curtains dry cleaned. If you can't wash them yourself, remove them. Some of you've had your curtains up for like 5 years, you've not even bothered to wash or anything. They are so full of dust, their colors have changed, it's not even giving anymore. If you cannot make new curtains, take down the old ones, take them to a dry cleaner. It's not so expensive. Wash it, iron it. When you bring it back, wipe the poles, arrange them back. If for some reason you find that, okay, maybe some of you said the poles to hang the curtains, those attachments at the ends, they're like they're falling off, just go to the market, go to all these curtain shops, get those little attachments, get those little ropes for hanging the curtains. Just tweak one or two things, and then the house is back to being cozy. Okay, you don't have to do brand new curtains, you can still maintain the ones you have, but have them washed. And then in your room, you can get like new bed sheets, new pillows. Your pillows have gotten so flat, they are not like, if you sleep you start having back pain. No, get new pillows, wash your duvets, wash the curtains in your room, change the placement of your bed and all of those things. Really, really nice, really, really, like, makes your room like really cozy. Get new bed sheets, soft bed sheets. Okay, then the final thing I would say is learn to be clean. Learn to be clean. No matter how neat you are, try to do a deep cleanse of your house like once every 3 to 4 months. What I mean by deep cleanse is you go the whole length. Just like an extra tip, you cobweb around the house. Then when you want to do your deep cleaning, like mopping, sweeping, you push things out from the wall, you sweep properly, you mop those areas. It just opens up the place, makes it more airy, makes it more cozy, more beautiful. Like all these pests, ants, cockroach, all those things, they will not have where to breathe and grow. Okay, so that's just what I just came on here to share with you guys. 5+1 tip to make your home cozy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.